So you got paper funds and you want to trade it, but you don't want to do business with that guy you have in your WhatsApp. Maybe because he has scammed you before, or maybe you're scared of getting scammed. Okay, I got you. In this video, I will show you a platform whereby you can trade your PayPal funds, your gift card, your cryptocurrency, and it's safe. I wouldn't say it's 100% safe, but if I'm going to rate it over 10, I'm going to say it's 9 over 10, or probably 8.5 over 10. Okay, but it's kind of safe. All right. It's Gerard here. If you're new to the channel, I really make it easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. All right. So the platform I'm going to be introducing you to is called Paxful. I know you must have heard of this before in the past, but maybe you have not tried using it. Okay, but on Paxful, like I mentioned earlier, on Paxful, you can trade your PayPal funds, cryptocurrency, gift card, and so many other stuff. That it's like a huge platform that a lot goes on there. And of course, I wouldn't say there are no scammers there. There's scammers everywhere. There's scammers on there too, but we just try to be careful. I will just show you. I'll walk you step by step, and I will show you some of the things you can easily use to point out scammers on this platform. All right. So without wasting much time. So this is how the Paxful dashboard looks like. It has an app, and I'll advise you to use the app. It's available on Android and iOS, and I'll advise you to use the app. But for the sake of this video, I'll be making use of the web version. Okay, so it's logged in on my Chrome. Just for the sake of this video, so this is my account, and I've been operating this account for like 2016 or 2017, or so I can't remember exactly when I created this account, but it's been a long time, like definitely more than 5 years that I've been using this account. Okay, and so far I've done, as you can see here, I've made 22 positive trades. I've made more trades than this, but like this is just the people who give me a review. And one thing about this app is that you can, if your trade goes successfully with someone, you can just give the person a positive review if you want. If you don't want, you can just go and just leave it like that. Okay, so but this review, when it comes to this review will come handy later in this video, and I'll show you why. All right, so just keep watching. So I have 22 positive reviews so far, and I have one negative review here, as you can see in red here. I just had a misunderstanding with someone one time when I traded something, and he tried to scam me, and we went back and forth. We invited the escrow, blah blah blah. At the end of the trade, he just gave me a negative review. All right, but I will show you. This tool will come in handy later in the video. All right, so okay, fine. Let us just get to business. All right. So now you have paper funds, okay, and you want to sell them. First thing you have to do is you have to come here, buy Bitcoin. You want to click on this, buy Bitcoin. I'm going to let it load. Okay. So, if even it's paper funds, what's it called, gift card or whatever, that's where you're going to click OK. So just click on buy funds, buy Bitcoin. All right. So you can actually change it here. If you want to buy Ethereum, if you want to get Ethereum for the paper fund to trade, or if you want to get USDT, okay, which is data here, you can also change it that way, okay. All right, so when it comes here, you just come here and select here's a odd payment. So you're going to search for PayPal here. All right, so we have PayPal here. Their opinion pocket, there are like so many, like I told you guys, it's a whole broad platform where you can get so many things. You can do like so many things here, okay. But for the sake of this video, we're using PayPal, so you just come here, click on PayPal. All right, so you're going to come here and select the currency that you want. All right, so most of the times the PayPal amount is always in USDT, so you're going to make that, okay. But if it's another currency, you can still select it, okay. So let's see, we're trading 100 USD. All right, so here, this offer location, if you leave it in Nigeria, it's showing Nigeria because this is my country of residence, okay. So if you leave it here in Nigeria, they're going to give you offers that are only in Nigeria, or people that are offering these services that targets Nigerians alone, okay. But I will advise you, what we need to do is that you want to go ahead and click on it and click on select worldwide, okay. Worldwide, if it's on worldwide, you're going to get every offer around the globe, okay. Anyone that is selling, that wants to sell their Bitcoin here on Paxful through the payment method of PayPal, it's going to come up. All right, so so now we're going to So that's that. Okay, so we'll just come here and click on find offer. All right, this is going to load. This is going to load. All right, so now you can see the first person that appeared here, Pilpa, this is the name, and the first person here, he has 11 positive reviews, which is not bad, but I wouldn't advise it to trade with someone who has just 11 positive reviews. Okay, maybe higher. Though I'm not saying he's a scammer. All I'm saying is that his reviews are low. Maybe he just started or something. All right, and he's not online. So as you can see, he's seen 3 hours ago. All right, so he's not online. All right, so let's move on to the next person. This person has 11 reviews too. But this person is online. All right, so let's trade this person. As you can see, this other person has 36 reviews, 17 reviews, and all that. Okay, but since this person was seen online a minute ago, that's the chance that the person is still online. So we're going to come here and click on buy. Click on this option here. We're going to let it load. Okay, so when it loads, this is the interface you're going to get. All right, so you can see you're going to pay $100. And this is the amount of Bitcoin you're going to get, 0.0394058. All right, which will be like 91.73 USDT. All right, which isn't bad, right? All right, so when you come down here, you can look at the reviews this person has. He has 11 reviews, no negative review yet. Okay, his ID is verified, his phone number is verified, his email is verified. Which verification means that when you're creating this account, I forgot to mention earlier, you're going to create an account. I already have an account, that's why I just logged in straight. But if you don't have an account, you're going to create an account. And I'm going to leave the link below, the link to get this app. Okay, I'm going to leave the link below. If you create out, you're going to get some great offers. If you click on that link, I'm going to leave below. If you click on it and create this account, you're going to get some offers though. So when you're done, you're going to verify your email address, you're going to verify an ID, and definitely going to verify your phone number. All right, so when you do that, all this will be ticked, and which is really great. Some people won't want to trade with you if the stuffs are not verified. Okay, and okay, as you can see, his offer terms is family and friends. So if you're sending to him, he's insisting that it must be family and friends. All right, so if you're not sending as family and friends, you have to move on and maybe look for someone that receives goods and services. But for him, he's written family and friends, so that's the one we're going to make use of. So when you're done, if the reviews are okay by you, then you click on buy. Then this is going to load and it's going to take you to a whole different interface again. So this interface that is about to open is where everything's going to take place. Like the main trade, everything's going to take place here. All right. So what you want to do is that you want to come here, click on partner details. You see his location, dated Vietnam, but his IP location is in Kenya. So basically, he's in Kenya, but he's pretending that he's in Vietnam. Okay, so let's see. Look at more trading info. He has 0 trade with me so far. Okay, since it's my account, I've not traded with him before. He has 11 trade partners, 11 trades done, less than 1 BTC traded so far that he has done. Trusted by 0 people, blocked by 0. He has not blocked anyone, no one has blocked him, which shows that there's a chance that he's legit. All right, so we'll go with him. All right, so what you want to do now is you're going to come here, click on here, and you're going to send him hi. When you send him, he's going to respond. I don't have any paper funds to trade right now, or would have gone down the data and step by step on how to get it. Okay, but I'm going to explain to you what's going to happen in the next phase. Okay, so basically what's going to happen here is that when he responds, he's going to give an email. You take the email wherever you have your paper funds, you're going to send it to it and family and friends. When you're done, you come here and click on paid. Mind you, there's a timer here for 30 minutes, like basically 29 minutes and something seconds, but it's like roughly 30 minutes. All right, so you put this in mind that this timer here. So wherever you're sending this Bitcoin, this PayPal funds from, you're going to put it in mind that okay, you'll have a timer, all right, which is running. So you're going to try to do that within 30 minutes. Okay, so when you're done, you're going to come here. You want to come here and click on paid. But if peradventure maybe you're unable to send this PayPal funds, you can just come here and cancel the trade. All right, just click here and the trade will be cancelled. All right, but if you click on paid, his Bitcoin will be held. Then he's going to confirm your payment and he's going to release your Bitcoin. All right, he's going to release the Bitcoin to you. Basically, this is how this works. And when he releases Bitcoin, it's going to appear here. Everything is going to appear here in USD. All right, total of everything is going to be here. All right, so if you want to hide your balance, if you want to just leave it open. All right, so when you're done, everything's going to appear here. The USDT, if you can look at this carefully, look at USDT. This is what I have in my balance right now. Please don't laugh at me. I don't have much. here. I don't keep my font here. All right, so this is what I have here. All right, so when you're done with a whole trade, your this is going to appear. Your fonts are going to appear here. All right. So basically, that's just a whole step by step on how to do everything on here. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video and share to other people who might want it. And don't forget to drop a comment if you have any question that you want to ask in the comment section below, and I'll try as possible to answer all the questions as to the best of my knowledge. All right. See you in the next video.